electromagnetic waves around Jupiter are much stronger around two of its moons. Around Europe, the activity of the electromagnetic wave is 100 times stronger. And around Ganymede, the largest moon in our solar system, jumps an enormous million times stronger. Around planets with a magnetic field, something strange and wonderful happens. The energetic electrons are trapped in the magnetosphere, spiraling along the lines of the magnetic field, generating waves in the plasma. These waves are also responsible for auroras. The waves can be recorded and converted into sound using radio technology. Around the Earth, they sound like a cross between the songs of birds and whales. The type of wave is known as a chorus wave for this reason. The chorus waves of Jupiter are intense. The diameter of the gas giant is more than 11 times that of Earth, but its magnetosphere is 20,000 times more powerful. And, within that magnetosphere, there are several of its moons, including Europe and Ganymede. Both moons are special. Ganymede, which is larger than Mercury, about 2/3 the size of Mars, generates its own magnetosphere. Europe has a magnetic field too. But it does not generate it alone. NASA scientists think it is induced by an interaction between the liquid ocean of Europe and the magnetosphere of Jupiter. Now, by studying the data collected by Jupiter's Galileo probe in the 1990s, the researchers determined that these two moons increase the strength of chorus waves.